Welcome to Swamy's documentary on the insect kingdom. We hope you enjoy this dramatic journey. Have you ever stopped to consider just how many insects inhabit our world? In the vast tapestry of life, insects form the most numerous and diverse group of organisms. There are more species of insects than all other forms of life combined. A staggering fact, isn't it? From the tiniest gnats to the largest beetles, insects come in a myriad of shapes, sizes and colors. Beetles, butterflies, bees, ants. These are just a smattering of the many types of insects that share our planet. Each, in its own way, is a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to its environment and way of life. Beetles, the armored tanks of the insect world, are the most diverse group of insects, boasting more than 400,000 species. Their rigid exoskeletons and powerful mandibles are characteristic trademarks, making them a formidable presence in the insect kingdom. Then there are the butterflies, the artists of the air. Their delicate, often brilliantly colored wings make them one of the most beloved of all insects. But don't let their beauty fool you. These creatures are survivors, with life cycles that are a testament to the power of transformation and adaptation. Next we have the bees and ants, the tireless workers and the epitome of social organization. Their colonies, whether in the heart of a tree or beneath the ground, are models of efficiency and cooperation, demonstrating the power of unity and collective effort. Insects are not just diverse in terms of appearance and behavior. Their bodies too are marvels of natural engineering. Encased in a protective exoskeleton, their bodies are divided into three parts: the head, thorax and abdomen. And those compound eyes, made up of thousands of individual lenses, provide them with an almost panoramic view of their... Indeed, the world of insects is a fascinating one. They're a testament to the ingenuity of nature, each species representing a unique solution to the challenges of survival. The insect kingdom is vast and diverse, playing a critical role in the global ecosystem. Did you know that beetles make up the largest order of insects, with more than 400,000 known species? Quite an astonishing fact, isn't it? The world of beetles is indeed a vast and varied one, teeming with an array of species, each more fascinating than the last. What makes beetles stand out in the insect kingdom? Well, one of their most distinct features is their hard exoskeleton, a protective outer shell that guards them against predators and harsh environmental conditions. This exoskeleton, made of a tough material called chitin, is not just a suit of armor, but also provides structural support to the beetle's body. But that's not all. Many of these industrious insects are also gifted with the ability to fly. Beneath their hard, protective wing covers, known as elytra, lie delicate flight wings that allow them to soar through the air. A beetle on the wing is truly a sight to behold. Beetles are not just fascinating creatures, they play vital roles in our ecosystem. Many beetles are decomposers, breaking down dead organic matter and returning essential nutrients back to the soil. In this way, they help maintain the health of the earth beneath our feet. Other species are pollinators, playing an integral role in plant reproduction. By moving pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts, they facilitate the creation of seeds and fruits. This makes beetles not just gardeners' friends, but also important contributors to the world's food supply. From the minuscule weevil with its elongated snout to the grand Hercules beetle, known for its impressive size and strength, beetles come in all shapes and sizes. Each species, with its unique features and roles, contributes to the rich tapestry of life on Earth. So the next time you see a beetle scurrying by, take a moment to appreciate this small but mighty creature. From the tiniest weevil to the grand Hercules beetle, this insect order truly embodies the versatility of the insect kingdom. When we think of insects, the delicate and colorful butterflies often come to mind. These winged wonders are not only striking in appearance, but they also boast an incredible array of species, each more unique and fascinating than the last. Their beauty, however, is far from skin deep. From humble beginnings as crawling caterpillars, these creatures undergo a remarkable transformation, a process known as metamorphosis, to become the resplendent beauties we admire. This metamorphosis is a testament to nature's ingenuity and adaptability. Butterflies and their nocturnal counterparts, moths, are not just pretty faces. They play a pivotal role in the ecosystem. As they flutter from flower to flower, they aid in pollination, a crucial process for plant reproduction. Simultaneously, they serve as a valuable food source for a variety of animals, forming an integral part of the food chain. These winged wonders, with their captivating life cycles, add a splash of color to our world. Bees and ants, while small, are among the most organized creatures on the planet. They are the epitome of social insects, boasting complex societies that rival our own in terms of division of labor and cooperation. In the world of bees, each hive is a bustling metropolis, a testament to the efficiency of their social structure. Each bee has a specific role to play. Worker bees, which are all female, take on the tasks of foraging for nectar, building and protecting the hive, and feeding the larvae. The queen bee, the mother of all bees in the hive, has the sole responsibility of laying eggs. Drones, the male bees, have one job, and that is to mate with the queen. This division of labor ensures the smooth functioning of the hive and the survival of the colony. But bees are not just busy at home. They also play a vital role in the world at large through pollination. Bees flit from flower to flower, collecting nectar for their hive. In the process, they transfer pollen, facilitating the reproductive process for many plants. In fact, a significant proportion of the food we eat is directly or indirectly a result of bee pollination. Ants, like bees, have a highly organized society. They divide tasks among different types of ants within each colony. Worker ants are responsible for foraging food, caring for the young, and defending the colony. The queen ant's primary role is to populate the colony by laying thousands of eggs. Ants are crucial for soil aeration, as their burrowing habits help to turn and mix the soil, improving its quality and fertility. They also play a significant role in decomposition, helping to break down organic material and recycle nutrients back into the soil. These tiny insects, with their complex societies, play an integral part in keeping our ecosystems functioning. Their industrious nature, coupled with their vital roles in pollination, soil aeration and decomposition, make bees and ants unsung heroes in our world. Beyond the insects we commonly recognize, there are millions of other species, each playing their own vital role. Take the dragonfly, for instance. This creature, with its glistening body and iridescent wings, is not just a marvel of nature's design. Dragonflies are formidable hunters, preying on mosquitoes and flies, thus playing a critical role in pest control. They are the silent sentinels of our gardens, protecting us from the threat of disease that these pests can bring. Then we have the delightful ladybug, a welcomed guest in any garden. These bright spotted beetles are not just charming to look at, but they're also voracious predators of plant-damaging pests like aphids and mites. A single ladybug can consume thousands of these pests in its lifetime, preserving our plants' health and saving us the trouble of dealing with these destructive invaders. Next, let's turn our attention to the stick insect. Remarkable masters of disguise, these insects blend seamlessly into their surroundings, often mistaken for twigs or leaves. But their role extends far beyond their impressive camouflage skills. Stick insects are a vital food source for many birds, reptiles and mammals, contributing to the food chain's intricate web. And we must not forget the myriad other insects that support pollination, a process vital to the survival of many plants, and by extension, the animals that rely on those plants for sustenance. These insects, often overlooked, are integral to the preservation of biodiversity and the continuation of life as we know it. But perhaps most importantly, these insects remind us of the wonderful complexity and interconnectedness of nature. Each insect, each creature has a role to play, a purpose to serve. They remind us that every life, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, has value. Every insect, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, contributes to the delicate balance of our ecosystems. So let's take a moment to appreciate these unsung heroes, for without them our world would be a far less vibrant place. Insects, often unnoticed or even despised, are the unsung heroes of our planet. We've journeyed through the vast and varied insect kingdom, from the industrious beetle brigade to the winged wonders of butterflies and moths. We've explored the intricate social structures of bees and ants and paid tribute to the less celebrated yet equally crucial insects that silently keep our ecosystems humming. Each of these tiny creatures plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of life, contributing to the balance of nature in ways that often go unseen. They pollinate our flowers, decompose our waste, and serve as a critical food source for countless other species. Their importance cannot be overstated. As we move forward, let us remember to appreciate these small but mighty beings and do our part to protect them. Next time you see an insect, remember, they are the tiny gears keeping the grand machinery of life in motion. Thank you for joining us on this immersive journey through the insect kingdom. From the smallest ant to the most majestic butterfly, each creature we've encountered has shown us the beauty, complexity, and importance of the insect world. We hope you've learned something new and that you've gained a greater appreciation for these tiny heroes of our planet. Their role in our world is often overlooked, but as we've seen, it is undeniably crucial. If you've enjoyed this voyage into the microcosm of insects and the insights we've shared, please consider subscribing to our channel. We consistently delve into the fascinating aspects of the natural world, bringing you closer to the wonders that surround us every day. Your support allows us to continue creating content that educates, inspires, and reminds us of our deep connection with the natural world. Once again, thank you for being with us on this journey. We appreciate your curiosity and your desire to learn more about the world we share with these incredible creatures. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we will explore another fascinating aspect of our amazing planet. Until then, remember, every tiny creature matters in the grand scheme of life.